Welcome to Seth Vidya Mandir Junior College of Commerce and Science online audio video lecture. Welcome back students. I Miss Alka Chaube taking physics class 12th explaining chapter 4 that is thermodynamics. Welcome back students. Let's move on new concept that is thermodynamics equilibrium. Let's understand students what is thermodynamic equilibrium. Let's consider any system, and as you know very well students, any kind of system is having their internal energy, their kind of pressure, temperature and forces, and there's no change of the temperature, pressure, force of that system is nothing but the thermodynamic equilibrium. That is the internal thermodynamic equilibrium. There is no macroscopic change occur of that system. So here we have the classification of the thermodynamics equilibrium. That is, the first one is thermal equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium, and the third one is chemical equilibrium. So let's move on students. The first equilibrium, that is the thermal equilibrium. As you already have studied about the thermal equilibrium in the previous session, so here I am just giving the recall about it. When we are talking about the thermal equilibrium, it means we are talking about the two system, and that's two system having the same temperature, that called the thermal equilibrium. It means here we are talking about system or surrounding. So the system and surrounding having the same temperature is called thermal equilibrium. So here if the temperature does not change within system when the system is isolated from its surrounding, it means let's we consider any system, they are isolated from the surrounding, it means their temperature is not changed. That times this type of system is called the thermal equilibrium system, and this type of system is present in our surrounding students when we are talking about a isolated system in our surrounding. So let's move on students. The first classification of the thermal equilibrium, that is here I consider the first classification explanation, that is thermal equilibrium. So this thermal equilibrium, already I have explained this concept students. So when we are talking about any classification in thermodynamics equilibrium, in this all classification here we consider the system is said to be isolated. So when we are talking about the system is isolated, so that system is having their own temperature, pressure, force or whatever the energies are present of that system, it should be isolated. There is no exchange of the heat from the given surrounding. So here I am talking about the thermal, it means here I am talking about the temperature. When the word comes thermal, it means the temperature. So there is a equality of the temperature from system and surrounding. Yes students, when the word having thermal equilibrium, it means equality of temperature. The equality of temperature between system and surrounding is called the thermal equilibrium. It means any kind of system is isolated, it's having their own temperature, and any surrounding is present, they're having their own temperature. It means there is no exchange of the temperature between system and surrounding. Their temperature of the system, the surrounding and the system is fixed because they are isolated. So this type of condition is talking about the thermal equilibrium. Or if we are taking any system or surrounding and the system is not isolated, that time students, you know it very well. So from one system, from system to surrounding, the exchange of heat is happened, and this exchange of heat is happened till when the temperature of the both system and surrounding is not equal. And after the temperature of both system and surrounding is equal, that condition we can say this condition is nothing but the thermal equilibrium. Already I have explained this all condition in the previous video. If you have any doubt, you can watch my previous video, that is thermal equilibrium. You can clear about your doubt. So let's move on students, the next classification, that is mechanical equilibrium. When the word mechanical comes in your mind, it means students we have to talk about the force and pressure and work, this type of things. So here we are talking about the pressure and force happens in any isolated system. So let's understand what is mechanical equilibrium in thermodynamics. If there is no change in pressure or force occur in any isolated system from its surrounding, it's called mechanical equilibrium in thermodynamics. So let's move on the next classification, that is mechanical equilibrium in detail. So when the mechanical equilibrium words comes, it means I already have explained you in the previous, that is mechanical equilibrium, it means the force and pressure of in any isolated system, it should be considered as a constant. There is no exchange of pressure force from surrounding. It means the mechanical equilibrium condition is happening here, the equality of force and pressure. So here students, I consider a system, and the system you can see this is isolated system and there is surrounding is present. This system having their own force and pressure or temperature also we can say, and the surrounding is also having their own force, pressure and temperature. That condition, this system is isolated, so there is no exchange of force, temperature, pressure, temperature. So this kind of things, it means there is unbalanced force is not applied on the system. The system having the balanced force with the surrounding, because the system is isolated, so there is no exchange of anything. It means we are talking about the mechanical equilibrium. It means the equality of forces and pressure is applied on the system. There's no unbalanced force is applied on that isolated system. This condition is called a mechanical equilibrium. So here students, we have the last classification of thermodynamics, that is chemical equilibrium. When the word comes chemical, it means there's no exchange of reaction. It means if the chemical composition of the mixture of system does not change with the time when it is in isolated form. Every condition students we are considered here isolated form from its surrounding is called chemical equilibrium in a thermodynamics. So let's move on students, the last classification of the thermodynamics, that is the chemical equilibrium. So already you have got the idea about chemical equilibrium. It means there's no chemical combination between system and surrounding. Yes, there's no exchange of chemical reaction between system and surrounding is called chemical equilibrium. It means there must have the equal chemical balance of system and surrounding. How? Let's understand with the help of example, so you can easily understand chemical equilibrium condition. Let's consider any kind of cylinder, like I consider here the iron cylinder, and when this iron cylinder is present in air, so let's consider this iron cylinder is here and this iron cylinder are present in air, so the corrosion process are happen here, the junk process are happen on iron cylinder because of air molecules are present. It means here the chemical reaction between iron and oxygen is happened, that's why the body got junk here. We have to stop that chemical reaction because we want to balance the chemical equilibrium here. Then what will be the procedure? So what we have to do it, we can polish that surface. The polishing surface is avoid the chemical reaction between system and surrounding, because air is the surrounding and the iron is a system here. Iron is a system and this air is what? Surrounding here. So we want to stop the reaction between system and surrounding. So what will be the procedure? The polished is a great procedure to stop the chemical reaction between this two system and surrounding. That time the chemical equilibrium condition is possible. So when the iron cylinder is polished, so there is no reaction between system and surrounding. This type of condition we can say the chemical equilibrium. So students, hope you very clear about it. The thermodynamics equilibrium is classified in three types: thermal, mechanical and chemical. Again I am giving the recall about it. When we have mechanical, there is an equal forces and pressure between system and surrounding. When we have chemical equilibrium, there must have the equal chemical reaction between system and surrounding. When we have thermal equilibrium, there must be temperature constant between system and surrounding. So this is what about the recall about the thermodynamics equilibrium. So students, let's meet on the next video. So till then, bye and take care.